Imagine unlocking the secrets of the human mind to make someone irresistibly drawn to you. In this video, we're going to delve into dark psychology techniques and the secrets of seduction that can make him or her like you. These methods are powerful and should be used responsibly to foster genuine connections. Let's explore how you can use these tactics to enhance your allure and captivate their interest. Number 1, understand their deepest desires. To make someone like you, it's crucial to understand what they truly desire. Pay attention to their conversations and social media posts to gather clues about their interests and aspirations. For example, if they frequently talk about their love for traveling, you can subtly mention your own travel experiences or express interest in visiting the same places. By aligning yourself with their desires, you create a sense of shared passion and interest, making them feel more connected to you. Additionally, you could share your dream travel destinations and ask for their recommendations, showing that you value their opinion. Understanding their deepest desires not only allows you to connect on a personal level, but also demonstrates that you listen and care about what matters to them. Number 2, use the power of suggestion. The power of suggestion can subtly influence someone's thoughts and feelings towards you. Use positive affirmations and compliments to plant the idea that you're special and desirable. For instance, you might say, "I've never met anyone who has such a unique perspective on things," or "You always know how to make any situation better." These suggestions can shape their perception of you, making them more inclined to see you in a positive light. Another example is telling them, "You bring a lot of positive energy wherever you go," reinforcing their association of good vibes with your presence. The key is to be subtle and genuine, as overly obvious attempts can seem insincere. Number 3, establish emotional connections. Creating an emotional connection is key to making someone like you. Share personal stories and experiences that evoke emotions and invite them to do the same. For example, you could talk about a significant event in your life and how it affected you, then ask them to share a similar experience. This exchange of personal stories fosters empathy and understanding, strengthening your emotional bond. Additionally, discussing your challenges and how you overcame them can inspire them to open up about their own experiences, deepening the connection. Emotional connections are the foundation of strong, lasting relationships and can significantly enhance your appeal. Number 4, mirror their behavior. Mirroring is a psychological technique where you subtly imitate the other person's behavior, gestures, and speech patterns. This creates a sense of familiarity and rapport. For instance, if they lean in while talking, you might do the same. If they use a particular phrase often, you can incorporate it into your conversations. This subtle mimicry makes them feel more comfortable and understood, increasing their liking for you. Be mindful to keep the mirroring subtle and natural, as obvious mimicry can seem insincere. Mirroring can also include matching their energy levels and emotional tone, making your interactions feel more synchronized. Number 5, use scarcity to your advantage. The principle of scarcity can make you more desirable. People tend to value what is less available or harder to get. Make sure you're not always readily available. Give them space to miss you. For example, if they ask you out, occasionally mention that you have other plans. This doesn't mean playing hard to get excessively, but creating a balance where they value the time they get to spend with you more. You can also mention your busy schedule in a way that highlights your interesting life, making them more eager to be a part of it. Scarcity creates a sense of urgency and can make your presence feel more precious. Number 6, engage in shared activities. Shared activities and experiences can create strong bonds. Plan activities that you both enjoy or introduce them to something new and exciting. For instance, if they enjoy outdoor activities, suggest going hiking or attending an outdoor concert together. These shared experiences create lasting memories and a sense of partnership, making your connection stronger. You could also suggest trying a new hobby together, like cooking a new recipe or taking a dance class, to create unique and fun memories. Engaging in activities together builds a sense of teamwork and mutual enjoyment, deepening your bond. Number 7, compliment and validate them. Everyone likes to feel appreciated and validated, Offer genuine compliments and acknowledge their achievements and qualities. For example, you might say, "You did an amazing job with that presentation. Your insights were really impressive." Or, "I really admire your dedication to your hobbies." This validation makes them feel valued and appreciated, fostering positive feelings towards you. Another way to validate them is by showing enthusiasm for their stories and accomplishments, reinforcing that you truly value their presence and contributions. Compliments should be specific and heartfelt to have the greatest impact. Number 8, use gentle touch. Physical touch, when used appropriately, can create a sense of closeness and intimacy. A light touch on the arm during a conversation or a friendly hug can convey warmth and affection. For example, when sharing a laugh, a gentle touch on their shoulder can enhance the moment. Be mindful of their comfort levels and cultural norms, ensuring that your touch is always respectful and welcome. Small gestures, like a brief touch on the back when guiding them through a crowd, can subtly build a sense of intimacy. Physical touch can strengthen emotional connections and make interactions more memorable. Number 9, maintain mystery. Keeping an air of mystery can make you more intriguing. Don't reveal everything about yourself all at once. Share your stories and experiences gradually, leaving them curious to know more. For example, if they ask about your weekend plans, you could say, "I had an interesting adventure. I'll tell you all about it sometime." This sense of mystery keeps them engaged and interested in learning more about you. Being selectively open about your life keeps them wanting to discover more layers of your personality. Mystery adds an element of excitement and anticipation to your interactions. Number 10, show genuine interest. Showing genuine interest in their life, thoughts, and feelings is essential. Ask open-ended questions that encourage them to share more about themselves. For example, instead of asking, "Did you have a good day?" ask, "What was the most interesting part of your day?" This approach shows that you value their experiences and opinions, making them feel important and understood. Follow up on previous conversations to show you remember and care about what they shared with you. Genuine interest demonstrates empathy and makes them feel valued. Number 11, create positive associations. Associate yourself with positive experiences and emotions. Plan enjoyable activities and create fun, memorable moments together. For instance, you could surprise them with tickets to a concert of their favorite band, or plan a spontaneous road trip. These positive associations make them look forward to spending time with you as they begin to associate you with happiness and excitement. Additionally, sharing laughter and joy during your interactions strengthens the bond and makes them crave more time with you. Positive experiences create lasting memories and a strong emotional connection. Number 12, be confident and authentic. Confidence and authenticity are incredibly attractive traits. Be confident in who you are and let your true personality shine through. For example, share your passions and interests with enthusiasm, and don't be afraid to express your opinions. Authenticity builds trust and respect, making them feel more comfortable and drawn to you. Embrace your quirks and unique traits as they make you stand out and create a genuine connection. Confidence exudes self-assurance and makes you more compelling, while authenticity fosters genuine relationships. Attractiveness is a combination of inner and outer qualities. If you want to change yourself within the next 3 months and become a better, more updated version of yourself, write in the comments, "I will improve myself in the next 3 months." This simple affirmation will activate your subconscious mind and help you achieve your goal. If you found these tips helpful, please like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thanks for watching.